Hey everybody, Randy Zemnick here with Engine Builder Mag. Today we're heading back to Saylorsburg, Pennsylvania, where Matt Miller of Miller Engines just wrapped up another serious Duramax build, this time a 2006 LBZ made for the drag strip. It's our diesel of the week.
Engine Builder's Diesel of the Week is sponsored by AMSOIL, the first in synthetics.
Matt Miller runs his shop solo, and his latest project was for a customer looking to fully refresh and upgrade a mystery drag motor. The result? A 6.6-liter Duramax packed with Moly forged pistons, Clevite bearings, Cali Comster rods, and a billet crankshaft built to take punishment. It's loaded with SoCal billet components such as main caps, a girdle, flex plate, and a 9100 AF camshaft. ARP hardware, a Manton valve train, and ported cylinder heads are also found on this Duramax build. A Kelvin's billet 48RE transmission with the Suncoast converter handles power delivery. For boost, there's a compound turbo setup featuring a 76mm Fleece S476 and a 106mm Garrett GT 5541R, HSP billet manifolds, and an HSP diesel billet water-to-air intake manifold also help move air throughout the engine. 16 nitrous jets, 350% over S&S injectors, and 12mm Fleece CP3s make sure there's no shortage of fuel or firepower. Matt estimates this truck can handle up to 2,000 horsepower when it hits the track. It's a clean, mean Duramax machine ready to fly. And that kind of power doesn't just show up, it's built by experience, precision, and passion. That's your Diesel of the Week. Be sure to check out everything Matt's got going on at Miller Engines. And for more builds like this, always head to enginebuildermag.com. We'll catch you next time.